Huh?
Storm? Might be time to do the storm thing. You see that casualty in the corner there?
Yeah, he just, oh! Oh, fuck.
Come on, Storm.
Alright, there we go.
There we go. Low key, destroying that roof was the worst thing they could have hoped for with taking off that visor, actually.
Yep.
God, it's so cool as shit, though. He's just
Yeah,
ripping open a
ripping
fucking
open.
train car.
Just casually, too.
Literally, worst possible mutant for him to go against right now.
Yep.
Whoever said I wanted you?
Oh, shit.